Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here to discuss the issue we had with withdrawing from the Bitcoin network on the Olymp Trade broker. As you can see, we had a balance of $150 in Bitcoin in our user account, and when we intended to request a withdrawal of this amount, we could only access a maximum of $111.5, while the remaining amount would be deducted as a fee. This fee was significant relative to the account balance. The minimum deposit amount for the Olymp Trade broker is $150 for the Bitcoin method, and we can start withdrawing from $10 along with subsequent withdrawals.